Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an automated book affiliate site in under 60 seconds. First, let's log into the eBSiteMate app. This is a cloud-based software, so there's no need to download or install anything. Part 1. We'll use eBSiteMate to create an automated book affiliate site, preloaded with over 90,000 ebooks, physical books, and audiobooks across 130 categories, all in just one click. Your affiliate link is automatically embedded throughout the site. From the sidebar menu, click on the Add eBSiteMate button and then select Add Website. You'll have two options. You can use our domain, so no hosting or your own domain is required. But if you prefer to use your own domain, simply choose the second option. eBSiteMate makes it all possible. All you need to do is enter your website name, and eBSiteMate will handle the rest. Now, let's visit the site we just created. The site is automatically built with a stunning layout template and pre-loaded with books across 130 categories. You can earn Amazon affiliate commissions from these books by adding your Amazon affiliate link in the admin portal. Once you insert your link, it will be hard-coded throughout the entire site. Let's click on a few books to see more details. Each book page includes a description, book cover, and a Buy Now button. When a visitor clicks the Buy button, they'll be redirected to Amazon via your affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, you will earn a commission. For every book, there's a related book section, allowing you to cross-sell more books from your site. We also feature audiobooks on the site. Visitors can listen to a short demo of the audiobook, and if they click the Buy button, they'll be taken to Amazon to purchase the audiobook through your affiliate link. Part 2. Your store also comes with 10,000 done-for-you ebooks in various niches. These are ebooks that you fully own, and you can set the price as you wish from the settings. You can adjust the price for all 10,000 ebooks in just one click. Visitors can search for any keyword in your store and purchase ebooks directly. For example, if I search for business, I'll find many ebooks in that category. To purchase, they simply add the ebook to their cart and proceed to checkout. From the admin portal, you can add your bank account, PayPal, and Stripe details to collect payments. The app also includes 4 in-depth training sessions that teach you how to use AI tools to create various types of ebooks for your store, including text ebooks, storybooks, coloring books, and flipbooks. These are not just basic tutorials. We guide you step by step with detailed screenshots on how to create a complete book from scratch and then format it into a professional design layout. Part 3, eBSiteMate also features a built-in AI chatbot that allows you to create blog post content. Just enter your keyword, and you'll get a blog post in seconds. You can then edit and publish these blog posts on your book site. Additionally, you can place banner ads on your site to generate more commissions and sales. Simply click on Ads Manager, add your banner ads along with the embedded link, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in